Hi guys and welcome back. So today we'll be making jam donuts. Let's begin. To start, you'll want to put your bread flour and the salt into your mixing bowl of choice. I'm using my stand mixer bowl, but you can use whichever bowl you like. And then just mix the two ingredients together. Into the same bowl, you'll want to add all of your milk and water, along with the egg, the sugar and the butter. Don't forget to add in all of your yeast and your vanilla. You will then want to mix that over a medium-low speed until the dough has started to form, being careful not to overmix at this stage. At this stage the dough will be sticky, but don't worry, we can work on this in the next stage. You'll want to put your dough onto a well-flowed surface and knead the dough for a couple of minutes until the dough becomes less sticky. You'll be able to physically see the difference and feel it while you're working with the dough. Place your dough into a lightly oiled bowl, covering the bowl with cling film, and leave that in a warm place to prove for roughly around an hour or until doubled in size. So once your dough has doubled in size, you will want to remove the cling film from the bowl, flour a surface, put your dough onto there and knock it back. This is just the process of removing the gases that have built up over the hour. Bring your dough back up into one large ball. Scale the dough off into 80-gram portions. You will then want to round it off using the palm and side bit of your hand. Make sure you keep your dough covered with some cling film or a tea towel, just so this dough doesn't skin over. So once my oil reaches the right temperature, I will then place 2 of my donuts into the fryer. You may be able to fit more or less, just work it around your fryer. You will want to fry them for around 60 to 90 seconds on each side, or until they are golden brown. And you'll want to repeat this stage until you've fried all of your donuts off. So once your donuts are fried, you'll want to place them onto some kitchen paper. This will just absorb any of that excess grease. So to fill them with jam, you'll want to poke a hole into each donut on the side. I used one of my cake utensils, but you could always just use a chopstick or whatever you've got. You will then want to fill them with your jam of choice. I'm using a strawberry jam, but you can use whichever flavour you like. Just be careful not to overfill them too much. You'll want to make sure that you've got either a bowl of caster sugar or granulated sugar and roll each of your donuts in it, giving them a generous coating, and repeat this for all of your donuts. If you wanted to enhance the vanilla flavour at this stage, you could always use some vanilla sugar. And if you're not a big fan of jam, you don't have to fill these with jam. You could fill them with a creme patissiere or custard or a chocolate ganache filling. The opportunities are endless. But for today, they are jam donuts. And that is how you make jam donuts. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with another video. Don't forget, if you have any suggestions or comments, leave them in the comments down below. Check out my social medias. You can also message me over there if you want to. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.